Rule 7 helps boaters answer a critical question.
Are we on a collision course? Recognizing this early gives you the time you need to make safe, decisive moves.
Rule 7 requires operators to use all available means.
Visual bearings, radar, AIS, chart plotters, and sound to determine whether a risk of collision exists. A key principle of this rule is simple. If you're unsure whether a risk exists, assume that it does. If another vessel's position on your windshield or horizon doesn't change over time, even if it appears far away, you may be on a collision course. Radar plotting or AIS information can confirm this, especially in poor visibility or high traffic areas. Operators should be especially cautious when conditions limit visibility, when operating at night, or when high-speed vessels are involved.
Risks can develop much faster than expected.
If you see a powerboat approaching off your bow and its bearing remains steady, that's a warning sign. Or imagine a sailboat crossing in front of you. Even small changes in angle can indicate growing risk. When in doubt, slow down, reassess, and prepare to take action.
Early decisions reduce the need for abrupt, hazardous maneuvers later.
Rule 7 encourages boaters to be proactive. Recognizing risk early and assuming it exists when unsure keeps everyone safer. Awareness is protection.